Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pittman. I am going to read you a story. I'm not going to say that it's for kindergartners, first graders, or second graders. I don't believe that it goes with a certain grade. I feel like this book kind of just is fun for all. So feel free to watch it regardless of what age you are. And if you want to watch it more than once, it's cool. So this is a new thing for me. So not the most comfortable for Miss Pittman to be in front of the camera reading, but this is where we're at. This is what we're trying. So I picked The Pigeon Needs a Bath. And he says, I do not. Because this guy over here, that's my Cash. We're in Cash's corner, remember? So he needs a bath. Okay. So this is the title page, but here we go. I'm going to read what the bus driver says. Hi. I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. Words and pictures written by Mo Willems. That is a matter of opinion, says the pigeon. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. As you can see, he's kind of dirty. I took one last month. Oh, I think it was last month. I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah. When was the last time you had a bath? Oh. That was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things? Like taking a bath. What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell. For a pigeon. You know, in some places it is impolite to bathe. So he's got flies circling him right now. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Just happen to happen. You! Yuck! Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. It's pretty bad when the flies are complaining. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa! I'm not going to like this one bit. The water is too hot. It's too cold. Too lukewarm. That's too hot again. Too wet. Too cold. Not enough toys. Too many toys. Too deep. Not deep enough. It's too cold. Now it's too hot again. Too reflective. Well, I guess this is okay. That is still too hot. Splash! It's in all capital letters and an exclamation point. So he's yelling. Hey, this is fun. Wash, 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 washy, wash. La 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 la, singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello? Hello? How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Can I stay in the tub forever? Yep. Who's that?
It's the little ducky.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna check out your YouTube channel.
The end. The pigeon needs a bath. Do you need one?
Yes.